So welcome back. So far we have designed almost all the campaigns of Google Ads. But we haven't talked about how to assess the performance of your campaigns using the Google Ads metrics. So in this video, I will talk about various Google Ad metrics that you can use to assess the performance of your campaigns that you have designed. So let us start. Click on Campaigns. The very first thing that you have to set here is the time frame for which you want to analyze your campaign data. By default, it is set to all data, but you can customize it according to your requirements. All combinations are available here, ranging from today, last month, year, and so on. Here you will see the graphical data of your clicks on ads for a given time frame. This column represents whether the campaign is active or paused one. Green circle means that the campaign is in active mode. By clicking on it, you can make any campaign enable or pause at any time. This column represents the name of the campaign. If you want to rename any campaign, you can do it from here. Next, we have the budget for each campaign. As I said in previous module, that you can change the budget at any time. So this is the place from where you can change the budget. This column shows the status of your campaign after the review by the Google. This campaign is eligible to be run on Google Ads. This is simple. It shows the type of the campaign like search, display, app, and so on. Next, we have the impressions. It's very useful metric. An impression is counted each time your ad is served. Impressions help you to understand how often your ad is being seen. If the number of impressions is low, it clearly shows that there is a problem in the campaign and you should find out the reason for it. Next, we have the interactions. Interaction is the main action associated with the ad format. These includes click for text and product shopping ads, view for video ads, and so on. Interactions help to determine whether your ads are meeting your performance goals or not. Next, we have the interaction rate. Interaction rate measures how often people interact with your ad after it is shown to them. This helps in measuring your ad's effectiveness. Next, we have the average cost. Average cost is the average amount you have paid per interaction. For example, one click has costed you ₹5 and another has costed you ₹6. Then the average cost per interaction is ₹5.5. Next column is about cost. Cost is the sum of your total spend during this period for this very campaign. Next, we have the conversions. If you have set the conversion for the campaign, then this is very useful information. Conversions show the number of conversions you received after ad interaction, such as text ad clicks or video ad views. Similarly, we have cost per conversion. Cost per conversion shows the average cost of a conversion. It is your cost divided by the conversions. Next, we have the conversion rate. Conversion rate shows how often, on an average, an ad interaction leads to the conversions. It is conversions divided by the interaction with your ad. Then lastly, we have the bidding strategy that we have used for various campaigns. The beauty of Google Ad is that you can measure the performance not only at a campaign level, but way beyond it, even up to the keyword level. Let me show you. You can see the performance of each ad group. The most important point here is, if you want to change the bid amount, then you can change it from here for the respective ad groups. Rest of the metrics are similar to the campaign metrics, just explore them. Then we have the ad extensions. I hope you know what are ad extensions. You can see the performance of each ad extensions from here. Next we have the video. See the performance of your videos that you have included in the various ads. Then we have the keywords. This is how each keyword is performing in our campaign. If you want to change the bid amount of any keyword, you can also change that at any time. Next we have the audience. Demographics. Topics and the placements. You can see how our campaigns are performing for audience type. Then we have the settings for all campaigns, and it is one stop to change the setting for any of the campaign from here. Just click the edit button and make the necessary changes. Then we have the location, ad schedule and devices to assess the performance of the campaigns. You can see we have various columns that represent the Google Ad Matrix. If you want to add a new column or a new metric, it's very simple. Google has plenty of metrics that you can add here to understand the performance of your campaigns better. Let me show you how to add a new column or metric. Modify the column by selecting any metric from the list. For example, for performance, I want to add the column views and view rate. Just check it. See, these are added to the list. You can further verify from here. These columns are added to the device only, but you can modify them for any of the property like campaigns, ad groups and keywords. You can also see the metric for each type of campaign separately from here. As I said, there are a number of metrics in Google Ads. It's not possible to discuss all the metrics here. Just explore rest of the metrics and learn more about these metrics. So far, we haven't discussed how to add the money to the Google Ads for campaign purpose. Let me show you how to add the money to the Google Ad account. Go to Tools and Settings. From Billing, select the Billing Summary. Use this option Make Payment to add the money to the Google accounts. Using available options. Your money will be added to the Google account once you will submit the details. So with this, we have completed all the modules of Google Ads. So I'm sure that there is a value addition after spending the 3 weeks on Google Ads. It is just beginning to the Google Ads. You will learn more about Google Ads once you will actually start working on Google Ads. I am very happy that I am able to teach you one more tool of digital marketing. Thank you so much.